Hey guys, in this video we are going to be showing you how to take the best Instagram candids. These looks that we are currently wearing are festival inspired, so you can shop these looks down below. Go ahead and take your photo anywhere. It'll be more appealing if you're around interesting pieces such as architect, a pattern wall, or maybe an out-of-town location. Go outside, sit near a window, or find a way to make the lamp in your living room give you that glowing moment. Sometimes it takes 50 shots to get the perfect image, and that's okay. So get your photographer to move around or set up your phone in multiple areas until you find the angle. You may have heard about this already, but there's a weird technique to give yourself that effortless caught mid-laugh look. Smile, then gently cough. A frozen pose will look like a pose. You need to keep your movements fluid. Walk, spin, kick, do whatever makes you look the happiest and most natural. Using your hand also works with the previous tip. Slight actions that look like movement will make your image look less posed, and you'll look and feel less awkward. We want this image to look like the camera randomly took a picture of you looking so carefree. Regardless of what you're doing, including another person will make your picture look much more natural.